I'm out on the Grom. I'm in an empty parking lot, and I'm gonna practice two things today. One being the wheelie, and the second thing being some stoppies. So hope y'all enjoy. Can't really work that game. I'm trying though. Perfect. Oh shit, I can do it. It works on the ground. It works better on the ground. I stalled though. Oh, got it. I'm starting to get it. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did it look hot? It was fucked up, but it's a good thumbnail, right? Ah, yes. We're getting it. We're getting there. Rock boy, baby. Ah, shit. This Grom seen some abuse today. Stop freezing up like that. How'd it look?
I only got half your body because you're so close.
My foot came off. My foot came off. Basically did, folks, what you never want to do. Because I'm so used to, I used to wheelie on pedal bikes. So when it came up, my first instinct wasn't to go for the back brake, which is on my right foot. It was to squeeze these. And this is the front brake and the clutch, so that wasn't going to do anything for me. Oh shit. my foot slipped off the brake. Lost my balance. Oh shit. Oh shit. We got it on camera though, right? I went too far. Did it look hot? No, it's not fun. Almost went too far, you saw it? Alright folks, that is a wrap. That is a wrap for today. Whew. We made some progress. Still need some practice obviously on both. I do have the stunt oil pump so that, you know, the oil starvation doesn't happen, so don't worry, that's gonna be coming in soon, going in soon. We did a couple stoppies, a couple wheelies, looked pretty like a successful video, so we're gonna go with that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Browse for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.